This government, after 8+ years, has made the well-being and the welfare of the Jamaican people a lot better than they were in 2016 when they assumed office. What we have done in terms of hiring more doctors and nurses, building out more hospitals, adding more diagnostic services. I don't know when you have been to Spanish Town last, but the foundation is being dug out now for a 6-story building, $45 million that will see more ward space, more operating theater. You are the ones who are going to benefit from that. All of us are benefiting from that. Maypen is going to start soon. We are now doing the procurement process for Maypen Hospital, and I could go on and on. We are here to provide what is important for you and what will help you to help yourself. We will achieve true transformation if our approach is different, is enhanced, if we build better customer care, better customer service, talk to people better, show greater courtesy to them, try to be more efficient, get them in and out as quickly as possible so they wait less time, and help them to solve their problems with empathy and with support. And the change management component of this new dispensation is going to be absolutely critical. If we have digitization, it means if we used to take half an hour to see a patient, we may have to cut it down to 15 minutes. So we see more people, so we don't have longer waits. It means that sometimes all people want is hello, or a question answered, or a glass of water, or the bathrooms must be kept clean. What we are trying to achieve ultimately is a change in the mindset, and the infrastructure is here to accommodate and facilitate that. So ladies and gentlemen, today is a good day in Old Harbour. I want to credit all who have been involved in this project. I want to credit the leadership that has been demonstrated from your Member of Parliament through to our partners and of course the government and the Ministry of Health personnel. And I want to credit you, the people, who clearly embrace this change, and to encourage you, embrace it fully, because ultimately it belongs to you.